Alright everybody, today we're going to be making grilled cheese. Ooh, you're gonna like it. First, what you want to do is flip that chisel and then dab. You don't have to dab, that's not part of it if you don't want to. Yeah, so you just keep on cooking it. Look at that thing, it's a beaut. It's a beauty. She's looking extra crispy and I'm getting thirsty, if you know what I mean. We don't, because that just sounds really awkward. And you got to dance when you're cooking too, because burn calories. Probably didn't really tell you how to start the whole process. First you want to set your oven, like 3 or 4, not too hot. And you're going to take butter, like this. Put it on some bread, like that. Now, most of you are probably thinking, I don't know what I just put in my mouth. Actually, I'll turn it up to like 4.5. So what you're gonna want to do is, yeah, I know you're thinking, oh, you put the butter on it, and that's inside to put the cheese. But it's not. You're actually gonna want to put the cheese on the opposite side. So take your buttered bread, throw it on the pan, then put your cheese on it, and take your other one with butter, then put it on top too, like that. It looking like this. Perfect. Butter out. Just remember that, butter out. You know, like, butter out, peace, butter out. Always take your trash, throw it in the trash can. Because you don't want to be a dirty pig and litter. It's not nice. Oh yeah, so while that's cooking, being me, I'm like,
I wait until I'm going to have that one done to eat it.
I'm going to eat this one. So you can do whatever you want. I like to use catsup. So this is probably the hardest part of making a grilled cheese. You gotta just dip it, just the tip. That was good. Dip it again. I don't play Fortnite. Can you tell? Oh yeah, don't forget when you're making it. I mean when you're eating. Check on it periodically. Ooh, nice little tan. You know, when I go to the beach, I tan. I'm just kidding, I burn. We'll let that cook a little bit longer. But yeah, that's how you make a grilled cheese. I use this guy's. He went to jail. Now he makes bread and this kind of cheese. Apple grate. And I use this kind of a plate. And that kind of packs up. Alright, I gotta go down to my cellar. You want to wait till the cheese is a little nice and sticky and gooey, kind of like Elmer's glue you used to eat when you were a kid to hold the bread. Hold the bread together. When you flip it, it doesn't come apart like a stressed out mom after a long day can't watch her kids anymore. She just comes apart. Yeah, that's how you do it. And enjoy that. I'm really good at dancing. I'm bowling too. Alright, see you later guys.